What's up, keepers? Welcome back to another Vlogmas video. You guys, this might be really short. Like, this might be the shortest video in history, but in today's video, I'm getting ahead of myself. For those that are new here, I'm keeping up with Nat, also known as for those that are new here, I'm keeping up with Nat, also known as NATTT. And for all my returning keepers, thank you so much for stopping by again. If you haven't already, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you do not miss out on my next video. Y'all, like I was saying, this is gonna be a real short video, but I wanted to record this because I am currently at the hair salon. I'm not gonna see Keisha, but I'm gonna see another hairstylist at the salon. She works downstairs in Keisha's salon, but I'm getting my hair treated. I'm doing a protein treatment on my natural hair because I'm just gonna leave out my natural hair until my appointment towards the end of the month, like for Christmas and New Year's. My hair needs to breathe. I need to give my edges a rest. Yeah, we actually need to give my edges a rest and actually let the sacred work before I put on any wig. So like, this is gonna be the longest, like 2.5 weeks of no wig. I mean, I'm gonna try. I can't hold any promises. I'm not gonna hold any promises. We're gonna see how long we can go with just rocking my natural hair. I don't know, but your girl's gonna try and do it. So let's go get our hair treated by Tiana. Hi.
Sorry, I left the back door open because I thought you would come.
I normally do, but I don't know.
Okay, get that out.
Okay, no problem. Thank you. Is that Keisha? No. Whoa! It's you?
It's me.
Say hi to the vlog. Good. You see life? You see how life work upside down? Yeah.
You're annoying.
Yeah.
Get out of my face.
Good for you. Good for you.
Get out of my face.
Oh, I'm so happy to be doing this service. Wow. I can't wait. Who are you laughing with over there? What weird. Do you mind if I record?
No.
Okay. Eva wants to be involved so bad. Like. Disclaimer, my hair is really dirty.
That's fine.
Very flaky.
You have dry scalp?
I have dry scalp.
Do you mind if I put this on
No
your
problem.
neck, though? I don't want to.
Wow, I forgot my nipples is just popping today. And yeah, dandruff. Serious case of dandruff. So I'm assuming that's because I have dry hair or dry scalp.
Is it like wet flakes or is it like
No, like dry, like dusty.
big ones or?
I can't tell.
Okay, yeah, it's dry.
Is it big? It's dry.
They're like medium.
Yeah.
I heard you out.
I came straight to see you in Zoo.
When I called it first, do you know what time it is? Obviously, you
Oh, it's so
don't
warm and cozy in here.
It gets too hot this summer.
No problem.
come question me. I ain't seen your ass in 2 years.
That's when you stop coming.
I'm just gonna exfoliate your skin a little bit.
Okay.
We can get into all of that later. Alright, y'all just want to see my daughter.
Do you do anything to like treat the dry
I
scalp?
don't do a damn thing.
Shampoos?
I mean, I've started using, like before I would just use any shampoo that I have at home, and normally it would be like maybe Dove or like these white people shampoos.
Yeah.
And then maybe I want to say the last 3, like actually no, since the summer, I just picked up the whole Fenty hairline.
Okay.
So I've been using that one, and that one's it's the moisture repair one.
Okay, that's good. I mean, it's good for your actual hair, but
Hair.
sometimes it's good to incorporate like a
Something
scalp
for my
shampoo.
scalp. Okay.
And you can use that maybe as like your first shampoo, and then follow up with the moisture.
Oh, okay. And what would you consider like a good scalp shampoo?
I use I probably do use some names because it's hard. The one that I have is hard to get your hands on.
Okay.
They're like a professional hair stores.
Mm-hmm.
But I know of a brand that you might be able to find at Winners. Eva uses it upstairs.
Okay.
I like them too. This one I just find gives like a little bit of a tingling.
Okay.
So I'll give you the names.
No, because I'm always at Winners. So you said Winners? Yeah. up, keepers? I'm back home from my hair appointment. Okay, I feel like it's even grown a little bit since the last time I came out to look at my hair. No, since the last time y'all seen me in the vlog, when I did the ponytail. It's getting somewhere. It's getting somewhere. It's just these edges gotta do a little bit better. But I'm back home, so this is pretty much the end of the vlog. I don't know what day in Vlogmas this is, but yeah. I'm literally about to. I already took my bath before I went to my hair appointment, so I just changed into my pajamas and I ordered takeout because I'm just so exhausted. Like, I'm still so exhausted from my weekend. So I said, yeah, I'm not cooking. I'm just gonna eat. So I ordered some Chinese. For those that know, amigo rice, chow mings, Jane and Lawrence. Yeah, so that's what I'm ordered. That's what I ordered. That's what I picked up. And that's what we're gonna eat, and we're gonna close out the vlog. So keepers, thank you so much for sticking to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, once again, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you do not miss out on my next video. And I'll see you guys in the next Vlogmas. Bye, y'all.